Welcome to my room. This is my bed. It's a double bed. It's really comfy. This is my study area. I got some books, my planner, my lamp light, a picture of my mom. I love her. One of the really coolest thing about my room is the lighting. I can dim it when I want to, I can brighten it, and once I'm winding down, I can just turn it down. I can show you the view. It's pretty nice. It gets really bright in the afternoon, which is really good if I'm home and if I want to study. I like to see my outfits, so I just bought this and put it up here. It was a really cool idea. All my friends, when they come here, they're like, oh, I can see my outfit too, because some of them don't have a full mirror in their rooms. Get my vitamins, my proteins, stuff like that. I did bought an air fryer and a toaster, and it's like the best investment of my life. Trust me, you can make anything in the air fryer, like anything. So if you like to eat healthy, but at the same time, you don't like to cook like big meals and like dishes, you can get an air fryer. I barely watch TV, but I do have a Chromecast, which is really easy for me to just watch Netflix, YouTube, Prime videos, whatever I want to watch, because our bed is so high up. It's such a good view from our bed. This is our sink area. So we have the sink, we got this whole mirror, we got a space here. I usually put like my skincare routine, my makeup stuff. I put some decorations on. I know, a little girly, but I like it. Flowers and birds. We have a little space down here, so I keep my utensils, my laptop, just to, you know, keep my space organized. I hung my jackets here. It's like really convenient, like my jackets, my purses, they all go up here. We do have these drawers instead of a proper wardrobe. It's as organized as I can keep it, but it's pretty good. We also have a lot of storage underneath our bed. All my sandals, my shoes, extra clothes that I don't want to wear anymore. We have a small microwave and a fridge. It's not that big, but it's pretty cool. I got my stuff there, like veggies, eggs, all the healthy stuff. This is just like a small counter for me. I like to keep my watch, my AirPods always charged. And then I have my kettle. I like to drink coffee in the mornings. You must be thinking, where's the washroom? Here it is. So this is our private washroom in our room. I really like the idea of having a private washroom because I'm a really private person. I don't like to share my private space. So we have our own shower, a little bit space here and there to put your laundry basket. It takes me 3 minutes to reach to the campus, and Walmart is just right across the light, so it's really close. Like, I cannot even tell. It's so easier and it's so convenient. We usually just walk to Walmart. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you like my room. Bye. Have a good day.